Thirikari ya Kenya niamukirite fringe 12 nene irengigwa njanjo itanyibirite milioni 3 kuma Vururi wa Japan. Fringe 3 ni sigwa mwena wa Kitengela na cienge gutambwa miena ya Nairobi, Eldoret, Meru, Kisumu, Mombasa, Kakamega na kaunti cienge.
Will be placed at the central vaccine stores in Kitengela, while the rest will be distributed to our 9 regional stores in Nairobi, Eldoret, Kisumu, Mombasa.
Lack of cold chain systems or essential human resources could result in the vaccines losing their potency and expiring or becoming ineffective.
Ino ni kuringana na Minister Deinu wa Ministry ugima wa mwire Mutaikagwe uri ugite Vururi nuratanywa kwamukira njanjo cia COVID-19 muthemba wa Pfizer kavinda gatevarasa na bari aboete mwingi kuthie na mbere kwiyumiria niguo kwamukira njanjo ino. Unari uguo ni ukanyererete njanjo ino ni ndunduria na ikonekana ni mbagiriru kuvuthirwo ni mwingi na bari ongererete njanjo ino tenginyu kavinda ga kuthuka.
The first consignment of this donation, which we are most grateful for, will be next week. The vaccine requires storage at -70 degrees, which is described as an ultra cold chain temperature. All these different types of vaccines present different challenges to the government in as far as storage and deployment is concerned. The ministry has been making the necessary arrangements for their successful administration. Not only can we not bring to Kenya expired vaccines, we cannot even bring into Kenya vaccines which we believe can expire in our hands.
Kuma medhari ya Muvoro Mita Mudhoni wa Nyaga.